Hi, welcome. So today we're going to try to do something different. If you haven't noticed already, in the past I have done videos where it's overlapsing, so it's like fast forwarded, but this time I want to try something different and talk through the entire video, and leave a comment down below and see which one you prefer, whether it's the overlapsing or me talking, and I'll try to do more of those in the future. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so since We Day is around the corner, so I was thinking maybe start to do a little series, so a couple of videos around for the V-Day look, regardless of what you're doing. Today it's going to be a little bit more simple, so if you want your outfit to do the talking, then we're gonna keep this face very light and simple. So let's just get started. I have already done my eyebrows, and we'll start out with the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is gonna be really light. It's gonna be mainly the eyeliner. So let's get into it, okay? Okay, to start off, I have already primed my eyelids, and you can use a concealer or an eyelid primer. I use a concealer, and I'm just gonna set it with a concealer powder. Nothing too dramatic. And for the shadow base, so it's just going to be you can use any contour powder, and that's what I'm going to use. It's going to be really light brown as your eyeshadow base. As this is the eyeliner, the eyeliner is what we're going to be focused on. So I decided that we do the eyeshadow a bit more lighter. So now I'm going in with a little darker color and in the crease. Blending everything in. Alright, so now that we have all of this done, so we're going to be doing a red eyeliner. So if you have a red eyeliner, that's great. At the moment I don't, so I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick as a liner. So just take some on the back of your hand, and I'm going to be using the two little eyeliner brushes. I think this is the eyeliner, this is the lip brush, but we're just gonna make it work. Okay. So this little brush, that's the eyeliner one, I'm going to be using as an outline. So we're just going to outline first and then fill it in later. And let's see how that goes. And don't worry if you mess it up or if there's too many mistakes. We're going to clean it up towards the end with a concealer. So now that I have an outline, I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and then we're going to fill it in. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna, off the camera, I'm gonna fill this in and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and filled in my liner with the lipstick, and I did my whole face. So for the final touches, we're gonna take the Lit Palette from ColourPop, and I'm going to use this shade right here, this one, and we'll go over with this shade on the top of the liner. So as you can see, at the moment it's super red. We're gonna take a little bit notch down and add a little bit of sparkles. And this will kind of give a bit of a light pink look. It's so pretty. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the difference, but I'm looking in the mirror and this one looks so much better with that pink sparkle glitter. I'm sorry, eyeshadow. It just makes the red even look more bright, and it's really nice. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. My God, I love this combination. Alright, so I think we are done for the liner. I love it, it looks so good. Okay, for the bottom of our lower lash line, what we're gonna do is same palette, and we're gonna go with the color like this one right here. And this we're just gonna, since like and Mercier's the one that we use for our liner on the top. Since they go really together, the colors, we're gonna use that as our bottom lower lash line. Okay, so taking a flat brush, we're gonna drag that color like on the bottom on our lower lash line. Really close to the lash line, and then we're gonna take a lighter color and blend that out. So just go halfway to the beginning, and then once you come to up to here, we're gonna create a, I'll show you, I don't know how to explain it, but it's gonna be like this. You know how like cats have that lower lash line? And going in with this browner shade, gonna blend that lower lash line. Repeating the same process on the other eye. Alright, I'm actually going to clean up a little bit in here and then corner with the concealer, and I'm going to put some mascara on, no falsie, since I do really want the red liner to pop, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here we have the final look, and I will link everything down in the description box for what I use for my face and for my lips. And so yeah, let me know what you guys think.